Hey, what's up, everybody? Check it out. First and foremost, let me tell you about this costume right here. What a way to start off the day. Happy Halloween, everybody, from Amazon. Let's go. You already know the crew's coming in hot. That's right, you got Junior Boy in the front. You got Gina coming in. You got Hoku, Kai, Mr. Baba right there. Of course, you got the Bromance Brothers right there, Devin and Al. Yes, sir. Like always, every morning we start off with a huddle. This is the Baba Huddle. Gotta always make sure everybody remembers safety. It is very important. Yes, sir. Mobilizing the team. Yeah, boy. Came across these gentlemen right here doing their thing, looking beautiful with the new lines.
Oh, here we are once again at Salt Lake. Yep, delivering to Salt Lake Elementary School. Shout out to you, Salt Lake. Yes, sir.
Man, these views are killers, I tell you that. Look at this. I can't get enough of them. Wow. Man, one view after another. Beautiful. But you can't beat this high level view right here all the way up in the penthouse. It was more than 40 floors, that's for sure. Oh yeah, one of my other favorite views right here at 3125.
Yeah, Halloween ain't the same like it used to be before. Before it used to be like everywhere costumes were crazy, but now it's just a few people here and there. Happy Halloween, everybody. Yeah.
That right there is building A. And this right here is building B.
Hey, what's up, everybody? Just, putting this key away. The Baba locker. Now I'm about to go home. At the close night. Happy Halloween, everybody. Be safe out there, and yeah. Till next time.
Till next time, everybody. Like, subscribe, and share. Let's go. This was day 37 here in Amazon. Chee!